the machine that is based on a model which was back in the days called 265. The main differences are that we have now a lithium hopper, which means that we are able to load their material with some bigger shovels up to 2.5 meters wide, which means that we are able to work with bigger machines for bigger customers, which makes the machine more versatile to different customers. This machine back in the days was equipped with the tracked version and also hook lift frame, which gives us the possibility to move the machine on a hook lift trailer, on a hook lift truck, and also on trucks in place. But since we got some feedback from the customers that some of them don't want to have the hook lift frame because they don't have the hook lift machine, they don't have the hook lift trucks, they just want the trucks. So we made the machine for them, just on trucks and with the new lifting hopper, lifting shoe. The machine, comparing it to the Pro S1, this is not an entry-level machine. This is more for the people who are using the machines more professionally, let's say, who are willing to pay an extra money in order to have some, for example, better shafts with higher durability, which will last longer, and also with the sound level. This machine is very, very, very quiet. We made sure that it's all covered to the sides with all soundproofing, which means that the machine has really low noise levels, which is very important sometimes when the machine is working close to the city centers, close to the place where the people are living. When we are comparing it to the other machines, for example, when we are on the site, some of the loaders, they are way more, they are noisier than this machine. It's very, very quiet, which is also sometimes noticed by our customers, that this is a very important aspect also of the machines. The rest of the machine is very similar to the machine that is now on the market for some time now. We have some customers who are really happy with the machine, and they are really like the build quality of the machine. They knew that they paid some extra money on the machine, but they see the quality, they see the money that they put in the machine, because they can see that the machine lasts longer than competitors who are sometimes way cheaper, but the quality is not.